Welcome to a centralized, real-time overview of critical business tasks by tracking key operational issues such as sales invoices on hold, purchase orders on hold, uninvoiced or partially invoiced orders, upcoming or overdue store audits, and low-stock products. Through dynamic subform counts and automated alerts, it enables businesses to proactively manage risks, streamline workflows, and improve cross-departmental visibility. This video is the 26th part of the journey of the Master Business Accounting Project. Please click on the I button above or the link in the description and bookmark it. If you really like skill header videos, you can subscribe, like, share, and comment. We will wait for your valuable feedback. This system enhances operational efficiency, ensures timely interventions, and supports compliance by making task monitoring transparent and actionable. Ultimately, it helps prevent revenue delays, stockouts, and audit failures, contributing to stronger internal controls and better decision-making across finance, sales, procurement, and inventory management.
In this first section, we will build the task board based on these tables: General Journal Folio transactions, invoices in process, low stock items, sales orders in process, purchase orders in process, and the store audits. Create the first query related to invoice in process. Add the invoice and customer tables. Add the fields of invoice ID, customer name, invoice date, invoice total, and status. Set the criteria for on-hold invoices. Save the query. Copy the query and rename it to create a purchase orders in process query. Add the purchase order and supplier tables and remove the previous tables. Add the relevant fields of PO ID, supplier name, PO date, PO total, and status. Set the criteria for on-hold POs. There is no PO in process. We will make some transactions and verify all later. Copy the query, rename it, and add the orders and customers tables. Add the fields of order ID, customer name, order date, order total, and status. This time criteria will be based on partially invoiced orders. Next is to create the store audit query. Copy the previous query, rename it, remove the previous tables, and add the store table. Before proceeding to add fields, let's edit the store table and rename a field to avoid confusion. Rename the store reminder to store last audit date. Change the data type to date time. Back to the store audit query. Add the store ID, store name, store location, store audit interval date, store last audit date, and store audit start date. To meet the audit criteria, Start the expression builder. Set the criteria based on the expression. Create the fourth query for low or out-of-stock products. Copy the query, rename it, remove the previous table, and add the items table. Add the fields of item code, name, type, factor, units, total, and warning units quantity. Start the expression builder to determine the criteria. As you can see, the total quantity is less than the warning quantity. Five queries have been completed, and there is one more query left. Copy the query, rename it, remove the previous table, and add the Folio table with fields of Folio ID, Folio number, status, transaction, and description. Set the criteria to open. All 6 queries have been done. Let's quickly generate some transactions related to all 6 tables and queries. There is one order with fully invoices, so generate a new order. After the order and invoice, let's create a purchase order. In the inventory, we have also added the status of stock with each item. If you remember, we have made changes to the table field earlier, so it should have to be updated in the Submit button code of the new store form. Hence, we have updated the form, removed the previous records from the store form. Create a new store now. As you can see, the store actual audit date is updated based on the addition in the interval duration. Add the new audit start field to the form. Very fine, now move on to the general journal entries in the Folio form. We just want to create a new folio without any transactions to show it in the task board. Create a button to close the form by copying from other forms. The status of pending will be updated in the query accordingly. The stock query is working fine. If you notice, the other products are not visible due to the stores were deleted and relationships broken. To have exceeded the store audit data, I am changing the date. Now the store has data in the task board. The store form is the nearest match for the next forms. Copy and rename for the first form regarding invoice in process. Delete the previous code from VBA and make some necessary changes to the form. Select the relevant invoice query form from the record source of the file. Three things to do this all the forms. First is to select the form's control to the relevant source of query. Second is to change the caption of the form. And third is to select relevant row sources to all the field objects. Create the second form related to the purchase order. Continue to create the third form related to sales orders. The form name can be as partially invoiced as well. Create the fourth form related to store audits. The reminder date format needs to be corrected. Move on to create the fifth form related to low or zero stock products. As you can see, 5 forms have been completed. It's time to create a general journal folio transaction form. Great, all 6 queries and forms have been created. It's time for the main task board form. Hit the Form Design option from the Create menu, enable from Header Footer. Copy some objects from the available forms like the Time, Button, Header section, and the Tab Control section. Add the tabs and rename them. Extend the header section elements, rename all labels, and the text boxes for references. Now add a red circle icon to indicate the task with each subform. That looks great. Change the form's control source properties. We will end this video as the first part of the task board. In the next part, we will start our advanced VBA coding section to make everything live. See you in the next video.